Creating custom IT solutions with GoTo Resolve can help streamline your operations, but what does that really mean for your business? In this video, we'll walk you through how to build effective IT solutions using GoTo Resolve, and we'll also explore whether it's the best fit for your needs. Stick around till the end because not only will you get exclusive access to an extended free trial, but I'll also share some alternatives that could work even better for your goals. So let's dive in. First up, GoTo Resolve offers an all-in-one IT management solution that lets you tackle a range of IT tasks, from remote support to device management. One of its standout features is the ability to provide remote access to any device, no matter where it's located. You can troubleshoot, fix issues, or even guide users through problems all from your desktop. It's perfect for businesses that need real-time support across multiple locations. But here's the thing, while GoTo Resolve does a solid job in remote access, it can sometimes struggle with deeper, complex IT management. So, if you're looking for something with more robust automation and customization for larger setups, GoTo Resolve might not be your best bet. Next thing to consider is GoTo Resolve's ticketing system. It lets you track IT issues, assign tasks, and resolve problems quickly. It's decent, but let's be honest, it's pretty basic compared to other software options. Other solutions out there have more flexible ticket management and better integrations with other tools. The lack of advanced customization can be a limiting factor if you're dealing with complicated IT needs. If your IT team needs something more advanced, you might find yourself wanting more from the ticketing system. The third thing to note is GoTo Resolve's reporting capabilities. It offers basic reports on your IT systems and services, which is nice for tracking performance over time. However, compared to other tools, GoTo Resolve's reporting lacks in-depth analytics. If you're managing a large IT infrastructure, you'll want a platform that gives you insights you can act on, not just surface-level data. And here's where it gets interesting. While GoTo Resolve is reliable and easy to use, it doesn't have the same level of customization and flexibility as some of its competitors. If you need more advanced configuration options or the ability to integrate with a broader set of tools, you might want to explore alternatives. That said, GoTo Resolve can still be a great starting point for smaller businesses or teams that need a straightforward solution for IT management and remote support. Now, let's talk about your options. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial of GoTo Resolve. But here's the twist. I'm also recommending a few competitors that offer much more in terms of customization, automation, and advanced IT support tools. These alternatives not only give you a free trial, but also bring more to the table if you're looking for IT solutions tailored to your unique needs. So, if you're after a more specialized IT management system, be sure to check out these options. They'll help you build better, more efficient IT solutions. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Try GoTo Resolve with our extended trial, or explore the alternatives that might just take your IT solutions to the next level.